Hello student, today we are going to discuss some numbers of exercise 2.2. Now we discuss the number 9. Question is, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present is? That means Rahul and Harun, the ages of these two boys are in the ratio 5:7. After 4 years, their ages will be, if we add their ages, the sum will be 56. Then we have to find out their present is. So, solution is, let the present ages of Rahul and Harun are ratio 5:7. So, present ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x respectively. Okay. Then 4 years later, the sum of their ages. 4 years later, this is the present age. So 4 years later, their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 respectively. Present ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. After 4 years, their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Then according to question, their ages, summation of their ages be 56. So 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 equal to how much? 56. Again we get the linear equation, 5x plus 7x, these two are like terms. So 5x plus 7x is 12x, 4 plus 4, 8. Then 56. 12x equal to 56 minus 8. That is 12x equal to 48. X equal to 48 by 12. X equal to 4. So we got the common ratio. So ages Rahul's is how much? Rahul's is, ages of Rahul be, we taken Rahul is be 5x. So 5 into 5x. So 5 into 4. Put the value of x here. 5 into 4 is 20 years. And Harun is how much? Ratio is 7x. 7 into x. Value of x is 4. 7 4 is 28 years. So ages of Rahul, present is here. Present ages of Rahul and Harun be 20 years and 28 years respectively. Okay, this is the number 9. Next is number 10. Question is, the numbers of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Means we have to find out the number of girls and number of boys and the class strength of the total strength of the class. They are boys. The ratio of boys and girls are in ratio 7:5. So solution is, let the ratio of boys and girls in a class be 7x and 5x respectively. So the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. If we add 8 on girls' strength, then it is equal to the number of boys' strength. So, number of girls how much? 5x plus 8 equal to 7x. This is the strength of boys and this is the strength of girls. Number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Means if we add 8 to the number of girls' strength, then it is equivalent to the number of boys. So, we get the linear equation here. 5x minus 7x. If we transpose 7x to the left hand side and 8 to the right hand side, sign of it is negative. Minus 8. 5x minus 7x is minus 2x equal to minus 8. So, minus minus cancel out. X equal to 2x equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 2. X equal to 4. So, number of the common ratio we got, then the number of boys, hence number of boys, we have taken number of boys is 7x. So 7 into x, value of x is 4, 28, and number of girls how much? 5x, 5 into 4, 20. So total number of boys is 28 and girls is 20. But our question is, what is the total class strength? So total class strength, number of boys plus number of girls. Number of boys is 28, number of girls is 20. 28 plus 20 is 48. So total class strength is 48 number of students here. Okay. Next is 11. Question is, Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of the three is 135. Then what is the ages of each of them? We have here 3 generations: Baichung father and Baichung grandfather. Now question is, which one is taken to be x? Suppose we taken Baichung age be x, then Baichung father is 29 years older than the Baichung, so it will be x plus 29. Then Baichung grandfather it will be confused. So if we taken Baichung father as x, so it is much easier to solve this equation. Okay. So, let solution is, let ages of Baichung father be x here. Okay. Then Baichung grandfather, ages of Baichung grandfather. Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung grandfather, means x plus 26. Then what will be the Baichung age? Baichung is x minus 29, because we have taken Baichung father is x. So Baichung father is 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung father is x. So Baichung father is 29 years older than the Baichung. So his age is x minus 29. Now sum of these ages of all three is 135. So according to questions, sum of their ages means Baichung is x minus 29 and Baichung father is, that is x, and Baichung grandfather is x plus 26 is 135. X plus x plus x, these three are like terms, so x plus x plus x is 3x minus 29 plus 26, that is minus 3, because sign of 29 is negative and 29 is bigger than 26 and between 26 and 29. So 29 minus 26 is minus 3 is equal to 135. So 3x equal to 135 plus 3. When we transpose 3 to the other side, it becomes positive. So 3x equal to 138. X equal to 138 by 3. X equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18. So Baichung father age is 46 years. So here Baichung father is 46 years. Then what will be the Baichung grandfather is? Baichung's grandfather is, we have taken x plus 26. So x is 46 plus 26 is 72 years. Then what will be the Baichung is? Baichung age is x minus 29. X is 46 minus 29. 7, 3 minus 2, 1, 17 years. Number 12 is 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Ravi's present age? Solution is, let the Ravi's present age be x. If we take in Ravi's present age of Ravi's be x, 15 years from now Ravi's age be x plus 15. Then question is, according to questions, 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Present age is x. 4 times of Ravi's present age is equal to the age of Ravi after 15 years. So we got the linear equation, x 4 into x, 4x equal to x plus 15. 4x minus x equal to 15. Transpose x to the other side. 4x minus x is 3x equal to 15. Then x equal to 15 by 3. X equal to 3, 5. X equal to 5. Hence, present age of Ravi is 5 years. Okay. So, this all for today. Student, please note down the each numbers of this exercise on your homework copy and keep practicing. Thank you.